This is not a normal G-Class. This is the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno by TopCar Design, where military toughness meets extreme luxury. It's a statement piece, built for those who find the standard G-Wagon just a little too tame. TopCar takes the legendary G63 and transforms it into something darker, wider, and far more aggressive. The entire body kit is crafted from lightweight, high-strength carbon fiber. Look at these wide-body fenders, adding serious muscle to its already boxy frame. The new hood features an aggressive scoop that isn't just for show. It hints at the power lurking beneath. Down below, the carbon front bumper is redesigned with massive air intakes, feeding cool air to the engine and brakes while giving it a menacing face. Up top, a roof-mounted LED light bar stands, ready to turn night into day. And you can't miss those signature side-exit exhausts, a hallmark of AMG performance. Everything sits on enormous forged 23-inch wheels, barely concealing the massive high-performance brakes. This SUV doesn't ask for your attention. It commands it, from every single handcrafted carbon fiber panel. Every angle is designed to project dominance and raw power. Under that vented hood lives a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, but this one has been unleashed. With performance tuning from TopCar, this beast pushes out over 700 horsepower, 0 to 60. It's shockingly fast for something that weighs over 2.5 tons and has the aerodynamics of a fortified building. The acceleration is relentless, pinning you to your seat with brutal force. But the real experience is the sound. It's not just noise. It's a declaration of war on silence. The cold start erupts with a deep throaty growl that settles into a menacing idle. On the move, every downshift is met with explosive crackles and pops from the exhaust. The sound alone tells you this is pure, untamed AMG violence. Step inside, and you'll find the brutality of the exterior is replaced with a bespoke, royal-level cabin. This isn't just an interior. It's a command center built for a modern monarch. Everything you see and touch is elevated. The seats are wrapped in exquisite, hand-stitched diamond-patterned leather, offering both supreme comfort and support. Carbon fiber trim flows from the doors to the center console and onto the custom-designed steering wheel, which feels perfect in your hands. Looking up, the headliner is finished in soft, luxurious Alcantara. Even the details, like the custom TopCar branding embroidered on the headrests, remind you that this is something special, a level above the factory finish. Dual digital screens provide all the information you need, seamlessly blending cutting-edge tech with old-world craftsmanship. This is luxury without any hint of weakness. So how does a monster like this actually drive? Despite its brutal design and immense power, the Inferno is surprisingly smooth and composed on the street. The advanced AMG active suspension works wonders, keeping this heavyweight SUV stable and comfortable while cruising through the city. Effortlessly gliding over imperfections in the road, it feels solid, secure, and unbelievably luxurious. But the moment you leave the pavement, its true G-Class DNA comes alive. Whether on sand, gravel, or rough terrain, the Inferno feels unstoppable. You get refined luxury when you're just cruising, and pure, unadulterated dominance the second the terrain gets wild. It's the best of both worlds, perfectly balanced. This level of detail and craftsmanship is not for mass production. This is for a very select few. TopCar builds for the individual, not for everyone. Owning a G63 Inferno means you've chosen to stand apart from every other G-Class on the planet. From the unique Inferno badging to the intricate weave of the carbon fiber and the glow of the exhaust tips after a hard run, every element signifies exclusivity. It's a machine built with a singular vision, to be the ultimate expression of the G-Wagon. In the end, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling sculpture of power. It's a statement of presence. It's luxury without mercy. So, let me ask you, would you drive this beast? Or would you fear it? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible machines.